So Dufton has come up in his second place, having made the move on Chase Collymore. Round the outside, did you just see that move from Feeney? That was one heck of a run round the outside of Ashby. That was absolutely on the limit, and he's going to have another crack at Barnes. Here he goes in a fourth position. The boy's on fire today.
It's incredible drive down that back straight. He's absolutely blinding down there.
So Belford is your leader. Dufton is second. Third is Collymore. Stealing all the headlines is Feeney.
I reckon if he went flat out of the hill, there's no way he's going to catch that man. He's gone.
Section, so Laycock on a 450 compared to the 250 as Max, but look how much corner speed he carries with that knee down style. So Max here really keeping the pressure on. Can he capitalise on it if he's got the advantage going into the off-road? Close that gap. So see if Feeney's able to get on the brakes. Oh, he has, and it looks like Ollie Sims is going to try and do the same thing here. So Feeney not quite close enough to make a pass. I'm wondering if maybe that 250 is feeling a little bit more comfortable through the off-road compared to Sims on that 450. He's able to sort of handle that power a little bit more, as much as he is probably at a disadvantage on these long straights.
Fair play to Max. He's really holding on there, and yeah, pass around the outside. Nice move.
Right.
I mean, the camera doesn't really show it that much, but the lads on the bike say through this section's literally like riding a bull. It's horrendous.
Yeah, we notice the riders that are standing up, letting the bike move under them, seem to be having the advantage through there, like we see Max doing, and Tommy Sayer as well. So he's currently sat in a very comfortable third place. These two have broken away to the tune of about 5.9 seconds.
Yeah, it looks like Max is really confident in the off-road there. He's just got the upper hand on Ollie.
Yeah, he was looking really confident through there on board that Husqvarna 250. So if he can keep this up, hopefully he can maybe pull a bit of a gap here that will allow him to maintain the lead as they take to this really long straight that he's definitely got a disadvantage on.
Yeah, 3 laps to go as well, Daniel, so making a move now could be a good one for him. He can hold it.
Yeah, so he's really sending Sims to the far end of the track there, and he's managed to hold it. So can he now try and pull away on this lap, give himself a little bit of a buffer?
Yeah, it looks like that could, Ollie just needs to stick it out now, try and stay with him and make a pass on that straight where he knows he's got the legs.
Yeah, so it's 3. As we watch here, so Feeney, they're looking really hard on the brakes, coming down towards our second off-road.